Hello everyone, I'm Shri Lakshmi. I'm a fourth year law student from St. Joseph's College of Law. So firstly, talking about Bariar's IAS Academy. 3 reasons why I picked this coaching center for my coaching as a UPSC aspirant is, number 1, the faculty. Starting off by Indrajit sir, who's the founder of this academy. He's a very approachable man for a student, wherein like students feel that sometimes we have got a lot of silly doubts and all of that, but then sometimes when we feel that it's silly, it's actually not that silly. And all the other faculties such as Arun sir and Mohit sir, they are the same as well. And secondly, coming to the location of the institution. So as you can see in Bangalore, the UPSC coaching centers are very concentrated to one particular area. Now if you see for example the north of Bangalore, near areas such as Nagar, Bavi and all of that, there are a lot of institutions and they're very concentrated. And if you come to the south of Bangalore, the same way towards Koramangala, the institutions are very less in number. So aspirants who are residing in south of Bangalore can opt for this institution. Thirdly, the kind of concentration, the kind of mentorship each and every student gets here. We get a personalized approach of training. So it might be our mentorship programs. It's not totally focused on academics. It also focuses on our mental health. For example, for aspirants, it's very important to take care of our mental health, because at the end of the day, this is not just a test of what you actually read and study. It's also about what you are and what your personality is. I decided to take up UPSC because I wanted to explore myself more. Like I said, when I came here for admission, I still remember Indrajit sir asked me why UPSC, and I just told him that, sir, I don't know if I'm going to crack the exam or not, but I'm just open here for the knowledge. And today after the class, we had our first ethics class by Mr. Abhimanyu, and he told that at the end of the day, you'll be a better person with better knowledge. So I just wanted to be that person. I've heard that first of all, the concentration every student gets here, like I mentioned before. If you see in other institutes, there's a lot of crowd of people, and there'd be no personalized help which is given to you. Like if you're facing some difficulties, just the general solutions which they give you, and it's not the personalized one which fits you actually. So here, with regards to the number of students, the concentration on each student is more, so you know yourself better, so you can perform better. I would definitely recommend my friends to opt for Bariar's IAS Academy. Very simple reasons, very straightforward. First thing, faculty, very approachable, student friendly, need not to fear about anything. It might be regarding your personal life, whatever you're facing, you can approach them, you can find feasible solutions for the same thing. And secondly, location. If you're in the south of Bangalore, it's the easiest place and it's the best place where you can get coached for the UPSC examinations. And thirdly, I just wish them all the best.